I think Center 5 is my favorite of our centers this week. You're going to get an orange handout. It has a front and a back. The front has an example slide so you can see how I did it, and then on the back is where you will do your work. Make sure you put your name at the top. In the giver, all knowledge of the experiences of humanity has been given to the receiver of memory so that no citizen of the community will be burdened with the past. In our world, we have records that document our past. Visit the American Memory website sponsored by the Library of Congress at this website, which is linked in Google Classroom. Under the column Collection Highlights, click the link for Today in History to learn about important events in American history that occurred on this date. Record your learning and reflection in the columns below. Do the same for your birthday, or you could pick whichever date you choose. So when I did it on May 11th, this was the event that popped up. May 11th, 1934. I fill in the date, including the year. There's a title for that event you're going to put here. You're going to read it from beginning to end. You're using this opportunity to just gain some new knowledge. So read the event from beginning to end, and in your own words, give some facts about that event. Then you're going to reflect on it. When we think about memories and events from the past and why it's important to remember them and tell them with the future generations, you need to explain that here. So the one I did was about dust storms sweeping from the Great Plains across the eastern states. Some facts about the event: farmlands were overflowed as a result of wheat needed in World War I. On these 2 days, huge storms of dust were caused by droughts. So my explanation of why this is important: it taught farmers about rotating crop fields and not overplowing fields. It changed the way farming was done in the future. The second date I picked was my birthday. And when I went to September 9th, there were lots and lots of different dates to pick from history. So I chose the event that happened in 1942, and you can click the link and read it. The event title said Japanese Bomb U.S. Mainland. So I read it, and I learned that Japanese planes flew over Oregon and dropped bombs in the Oregon State Forest. And why did I think that that was important? What was significant about that event? It said the President of the United States stopped the reporting of news because it was ruining the morale of the country. And I found that interesting that the President made the choice to censor the news, and that would just never happen today. So you are going to go pick today's date, and whatever event comes up, you're going to write about it here, and then you're going to pick any other date, your birthday or whatever it is that you choose. So I hope you enjoy learning something new. It's a really cool website to explore.